Volume. Volume is a measure of the amount of space an object occupies. Fluid ounce. A fluid ounce is a unit of volume used in the US imperial and customary systems, primarily to measure liquids. Conversions. 1 fluid ounce is approximately 29.57 milliliters, while 1 milliliter is approximately 0.03 fluid ounces. Example: a bottle of juice contains 16 fluid ounces. How many milliliters is that? If 1 fluid ounce is approximately 29.57 milliliters, 16 times 29.57 is approximately 473.176 milliliters. Pint. PT. A pint is a unit of volume in the US imperial and customary systems, equal to 1/2 quart or 1/8 of a gallon. Conversions. 1 pint is approximately 568.26 milliliters. 1 milliliter is around 0.002 pints. Example: a glass of beer is 1 pint. How many milliliters is that? 1 pint is approximately 568.26 milliliters. So 1 times 568.26 is approximately 568.26 milliliters. Quart. QT. A quart is a unit of volume used in the US imperial and customary system, equal to 1/3 of a gallon. Conversions. 1 quart is around 0.94 liters. 1 liter is around 1.05 quarts. Example: a carton of milk contains 2 quarts. How many liters is that? 1 quart is around 0.94 liters. Therefore, 2 times 0.94 is approximately 1.89 liters. Gallon. A gallon is a unit of volume used in the imperial system and the US customary system to measure liquids. This is a typical gallon container in the US, commonly used for everyday liquids, like milk and water. Conversions. 1 gallon, this double tilde symbol means approximately, so 1 gallon is approximately 3.785 liters. So it's not really a precise value, but it's approximately this value. While 1 liter is approximately 0.264 gallons. Example: we have 15 gallons of gasoline. How many liters is that? So we said 1 gallon is approximately 3.785 liters. So 15 times 3.785 is approximately 56.73 liters.